The KHASI Students' Union Southwest KHASI Hills had recently met the Secretary of the Pollution Control Board and submitted a memorandum to oppose the move of some private companies in setting up of coke factories in NONGJRI, NONGHYLLAM and KULANG areas in the district. Members of the union had also submitted a memorandum to the same effect to the Director of Commerce and Industries, Government of Meghalaya. Speaking to a section of the media, the president of the KSU Southwest KHASI Hills District, Forward Men NONGREM, informed that water and air pollution are already prevalent due to coal mining in the area. He added that the proposed setting up of coke factories would be a cause of concern that would affect the general public. The union therefore urged upon the concerned department to address the issue and involve traditional authorities such as the local headmen, Swkhd and other concerned citizens of the district.
So, nagalang jungi ka KSU Southwest KHASI District te hadin bang layo jingtep ba kiladon katugani gidru companies ki ba pasang ki ba matmu pan set up ki coke factories anti hapo area NONGJRI NONGHYLLAM KULANG jong hapo jong ka KHASI District te nagalang jungi ila one bu da ka jing tho ane po jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ha ka bang leyo ne kendu in member secretary te ha ka jing por ila pha ya ka jing tho sha Director of Commerce and Industries bodai member secretary jong ka member secretary jong ka single window agency jong government of Meghalaya ha ka ba na kalang jing ila pan pau sai ba na kalang jungi ngimla ban pedang ban set up ikini coke factory kada bon kong hi kalong ba bedai berka environment hi namar ko bang tip hi ba larangi phai sekiwi wi jaka gi babon karkhana kamda bini coke factory singiri i du ono kakta balarangi pe sakatu ka than NONGJRI NONGHYLLAM ro ngimla ban len ba kal air lani ka kelas akta anadu ka jinti de yong gi por manchwa te lada set up sakini coke factory sekai ngimla ban tip kai manja kan kata ahi ya ipa jong kata kadang katanya berkawai tena kalang jungi lawan ni apa office mana keduk member secretary benwat jingtep namar ngelayo jingtep ti basai ba kidan gibri buat minta ni wat jingtep ane bonong ba la kiladan em giba approach ya ka office ame na kamta ki clearance seperti ai kiwai jenur kam na kamta ban set up kita factory rai kumbalong mentahi ile tu sai ba kampadon te rai hadin se kala bandon rai yamta kampadon te rai nakalang ngi pat ni la kransahi ba nakalang ngi la kransahi ba ni pasha ban set up coke factories apo dong kathai jungi bara ka juga poru ngila panbai bala kunung kalong ba ngin ya kendulang bu ki kendulang ya ki nelam snong ki sangukni sang sama bat kiwai ki bro ki basokya po jong kate kadong kathai